Hey everyone, finally in the Faroe Islands. Yeah, this place is really nice. Check it out. It's been raining today all day. It's been cold and windy, and I don't know. I was supposed to go hiking today, but that didn't happen because it rained all over the islands. So I'm probably gonna try again tomorrow. I'll have to wake up early. Hopefully it doesn't rain, which it looks like there's a fair chance that it won't. But yeah. It's a really typical Scandinavian architecture and design. I really like the tuft houses. The grass is on the house. Grass.